The 2026 BMW M6 is more than just a car. It's a bold statement of performance, luxury, and engineering precision. For decades, the M6 has represented the pinnacle of BMW's M division, and this latest iteration pushes the limits even further. From the moment you set eyes on it, the aggressive stance of the 2026 M6 lets you know it means business. The exterior design is sharper, more muscular, and aerodynamically refined compared to its predecessor. The wide kidney grilles have been slightly redesigned to look more integrated and less polarizing than recent BMW models. Sleek LED headlights, with adaptive laser technology, flank the front end, while large air intakes on the bumper hint at the power lying beneath the hood. Move along the side profile and you'll notice sculpted lines that stretch from the front fenders to the rear haunches, emphasizing both elegance and athleticism. The carbon fiber roof adds to the performance appeal while reducing weight for better handling. At the rear, quad exhaust tips sit beneath a redesigned diffuser, and a subtle lip spoiler on the trunk lid helps increase downforce at higher speeds. BMW offers a range of vibrant colors and M-specific wheel designs, including forged 21-inch alloys that enhance both aesthetics and performance. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that balances sportiness with first-class luxury. The cabin is wrapped in the finest merino leather, with contrast stitching and carbon fiber trim throughout. The M Sport seats are aggressively bolstered to keep you planted during hard cornering, yet remain incredibly comfortable for long drives. BMW's curved dual-screen setup dominates the dashboard, featuring a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment display running the latest iDrive 9 system. The interface is smoother than ever, offering intuitive touch controls, customizable layouts, and seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ambient lighting with multiple color settings brings a futuristic vibe to the cabin, while the optional Bowers & Wilkins Diamond Surround sound system provides an immersive audio experience. The rear seats offer adequate space for adults, a rare feature in high-performance coupes, making the M6 surprisingly practical. You also get a decent-sized trunk, making this beast a real option for both weekend getaways and daily driving. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW M6 packs a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine, now tuned to deliver an astonishing 655 horsepower and 620 lb-ft of torque. This power plant is mated to an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission, with drive logic offering lightning-quick shifts. The MX Drive all-wheel drive system remains standard, but it now includes a rear-wheel drive-only mode for purists who want that classic M-car feel. 0 to 60 mph comes in just 3.1 seconds, making this M6 one of the fastest in its class. The electronically limited top speed is 155 mph, but with the optional M Drivers package, it jumps to 190 mph. Driving the M6 is a masterclass in balance and control. Adaptive M suspension, rear-wheel steering, and an active differential work together to deliver razor-sharp handling, even on tight corners. Whether you're on a winding road or cruising the highway, the M6 feels composed, planted, and exhilarating. Multiple drive modes, including Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and Track, allow you to tailor the car's personality to your mood or environment. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 BMW M6 doesn't come cheap, and rightfully so. The base model starts around $128,000 in the US, with well-equipped variants pushing the price beyond $145,000, especially when you add premium packages like the Executive Package or M-Carbon ceramic brakes. Still, for what it offers in terms of performance, luxury, and innovation, many would argue it's worth every penny. This is not just a performance coupe. It's a refined, all-in-one driving machine that can thrill on track days, pamper on road trips, and impress every time you park it. The 2026 BMW M6 is not just built, it's engineered to dominate.